Okay, so hi guys. So we will discuss accounts receivable management. So accounts receivable management is the management of credit sales. So etong topic na to, this only applies to sales on account. Kasi if we're talking about cash sales, this will not be a concern kasi yung cash, makokolekta mo agad. So what is the overall goal in accounts receivable management? That is to collect cash as soon as possible without compromising profitability. So yung first na i-discuss natin is the 5 C's of credit. So 5 C's of credit revolves on what are the factors that we consider when someone applies for a loan. So there are 5 factors that we need to consider. So number one is character, the applicant's record of meeting past obligations. So generally speaking, if yung debtor nakakabayad siya on time, pag maganda yung credit history niya, then most likely the application of that debtor will be accepted agad. Kasi alam natin na yung debtor, kaya niyang makabayad agad. So that's character. Number two is the applicant's ability to repay the requested credit. So, how do we assess the ability of the applicant to repay the requested credit? So, we can look on the occupation of the applicant or we also look at the business of the applicant. Yung business ba, meron bang possibility na magiging profitable siya in the future? Meron bang chance na yung business mag-work talaga siya para mabayaran ni applicant yung utang niya in the future? So that's why when we apply for loans, one of the most important questions na tinatanong is, ano ba yung occupation mo? Kasi they also want to check on your salary, they want to check kung ano ba yung nature ng trabaho mo, yung trabaho mo ba mataas ba yung sweldo or hindi. That's why if you have a stable job or like government jobs or high-paying jobs, most likely they will accept your application. Pag ganun yung trabaho mo. Pero pag mga part-time or unemployed, mahihirapan ka kasi yung they will look on your ability to pay. They will realize na wait, paano ka makakabayad ng utang if yung trabaho mo ganito lang or wala kang trabaho at the moment. So that is capacity. Number three is capital. The applicant's debt relative to equity. So that's why pag marami kang ibang loans, if you have a lot of loans, they will also look at that and ask, can you really pay the loan? Kasi ang dami mong utang eh. Marami kang utang sa ganitong bank, and so on. So that is capital. And then, number four is collateral. So collateral, there are times kasi that when we loan, there are amount of assets that we secure. So example, we use land, property, or car as a collateral. Generally speaking, the higher the value of the collateral, the higher the value of the amount that we can loan. Ibig sabihin nun, kung mas malaki yung value ng land ng collateral, mas malaki yung pwede nating utangin. We can loan a higher amount if the collateral is high. So that's number four. Number five is conditions. Current general and industry specific economic conditions and any unique conditions surrounding a specific transaction. So dito, we check, are we on a recession? Are we on an economic crisis? Kasi paminsan yung mga ganong conditions, that affects our ability to pay. Kasi, di ba pag may recession, high rates yung unemployment, yung economic activity, yung bumibili, medyo konti lang, hindi ganun karami. So those are factors that will affect the capability to pay. Kasi if the economy does not support your business or your current condition, ano yun? That will affect your ability to pay as well. So kaya yung conditions, we take that into account. And then, ano ba yung considerations in credit policy? So credit policy, guys, is a broad term. Credit policy describes the policies the company sets in collecting its receivables. So, kumbaga, credit policies are, in general, policies in selecting sino-sino ba yung i-allow na mag-loan, paano ba yung collection ng receivables, do we implement a discount or not? So, this is a general term. So, ano yung kailangan natin i-consider in making a credit policy? So, number one is increase or decrease in gross profit due to increased sales or decreased sales. So, generally speaking, if you are strict in your credit policy or credit standards, ibig sabihin yung i-allow mo lang ng mga customers na pwedeng umutang are customers that can pay. So pag ganun, yung sales mo, it will be lower. Kasi yung mga iba na hindi kayang magbayad, you will not accept them. So yung likely na gagawin nila, maghanap sila ng iba. So that is decrease in gross profit if you are strict. Pero if you are more relaxed or if you are more complacent in your credit standards, tataas yung gross profit kasi you are welcoming more customers. Even customers that have some doubts on the ability to pay. Kahit yung mga customers na alanganin, di ba? Those are people that you accept. So that is number one. Increase or decrease in gross profit due to increase or decrease sales. Second is increase in sales discounts. This can be a factor as well. Kasi if the company implements a discount na if you pay within 15 days, makakatanggap ka ng discount. If that's the case, that will have an effect on profitability kasi customers can save money. Customers can buy the product at a lower price. So, syempre sa atin, ano yun? That is detrimental. Kasi, sayang, di ba? Makokolekta na sana natin ng buo yung, yung cash. Pero, because of the discount, mababawasan pa ng 2%, mababawasan siya ng 3% because of the sales discount. Number three is increase or decrease in bad debts. So, increase or decrease in bad debts. So, generally speaking, if we become stricter, bababa yung bad debts. If we become stricter, the bad debts will decrease. If we become more relaxed, pag mas nagiging lax tayo, bad debts will increase. Kasi syempre, may mga customers talaga na hindi makakabayad if we become more relaxed. So that's number 3. Number 4 is marginal cost of investment in AR. So ang nangyayari kasi, if the company has problems in collecting receivables, yung accounts receivable lumalaki. Lumalaki yung AR. Nagbo-bloat yung accounts receivable. So that is an opportunity cost in itself. Kasi sayang, di ba? Makokolekta mo na sana into cash. Pero nandun pa rin sa AR. Floating pa rin siya. Hindi mo pa rin nakokolekta yung cash. Kasi nga, yung mga customer itself, hindi nakakabayad or hindi kayang magbayad. So that is marginal cost of investment in accounts receivable. So merong implied assumption that we prefer a lower accounts receivable. We prefer that on average, dapat yung accounts receivable mababa lang. Kasi kung mababa yung AR, it implies that nakokolekta natin agad yung receivables. Hindi na siya nagbo-bloat or hindi siya nagfo-float sa accounts receivable. So those are the considerations in implementing a credit policy. Okay. So ito yung AR strategies. So possible AR strategies is number one, relaxation of credit standards. So kumbaga, pag sinabi nating relaxation of credit standards, maging mas relax tayo. Okay, yung mga customer na mahirap magbayad or yung alanganin, sige, papautangin natin sila. Sige, they can buy on account o they can loan. They can buy on account for now. So we become more relaxed. So ano yung effect niya sa sales volume? Sales volume tataas. Sales volume natin tataas. So that has a positive impact in profits. Second, investment in AR. So ang nangyayari kasi, if you relax credit standards, may mga customers kasi talagang hindi makakabayad on time. Kasi nga, you are opening it even to those customers na sabihin na lang natin, in bad faith, they buy pero hindi sila magbabayad or hindi sila nakakabayad at all. So tataas yung AR natin, anong effect sa profits? Negative. We will discuss that on the next video. Paano yan nag-work? And then number three, bad debt expense. O syempre, tataas talaga. Kasi customers cannot pay on time. And there are customers na hindi talaga makakapay at all. So negative yung effect sa profits. So ang tanong, is it worth it to relax credit standards? Or is it worth it to make the credit standard more stricter? The answer is it depends. Again, it's a cost-benefit analysis. We first need to assess what are the benefits and what are the costs. If the benefit is higher than the cost, o yun yung susundin natin, yung pinaka-cost beneficial. So that is a case-to-case basis. So yun yung relaxation of credit standards. Next, including cash discount sa credit terms. So ang point ng cash discount is, if you pay within 15 days or if you pay within 10 days, makakatanggap ka ng cash discount. So what is the nature of that cash discount? The nature of that cash discount is you being able to pay on time. So example, ito yung credit term or ito yung terms ng sale. Let's say 2, 15, and 30. So ibig sabihin nun, if you pay within 15 days, you receive a 2% cash discount if you pay within 15 days. So ang point is, this is a way to motivate customers to pay within the 15-day period. Kasi alam nila, makakatanggap silang ng discount if they pay earlier. So that's why may possibility din of including the cash discount. So ano ba yung effect niya? Number one, by speeding collections. Number one, the discount decreases the firm's investment in AR. Kasi ang point, yung mga customers magbabayad ng maaga. They will pay earlier. So yung accounts receivable mo, on average, magiging lower din. Kasi yung mga customer, early magbayad. So that's number one. Number two is the discount decreases the per unit profit. Ang effect kasi ng discount is, syempre, if you implement a cash discount, di ba 2%? So if the customer pays earlier, mababawasan ng 2% yung babayaran niya. Mababawasan ng 2% yung babayaran niya. So that will decrease the profits. That will decrease the profits. Kasi syempre, yung customer na magbabayad ng early, hindi niya babayaran yung 100%. Of course, ang babayaran niya is net of discounts. So it decreases the profit. Number three, additionally, initiating a cash discount should reduce bad debts. Kasi we are motivating customers to pay early. So that's why yung bad debts, it will be lower as well. And then number 4, it should increase the sales volume. Kasi ano 'to, parang it's a way to market the product na if the customers can pay early, they will receive a discount. So that will increase sales volume kasi parang ano na rin 'to, parang promotion na rin 'to sa product. Parang promotion na rin 'to na, kung gagawin niyo 'to, if you pay early, may discount kayong matatanggap. So gano'n yung cash discounts. And the next, extending the cash discount period. So yung cash discount period naman is, let's say etong 15 days, plano mong gawing instead of 15 days, you make it 20 days or you make it 25 days yung cash discount period. Okay lang na 20 days or 25 days. So that is extending the cash discount period. Instead of 15 days, you make it, let's say, 2, 20, and 30. So ine-extend mo yung cash discount period by 20 days. So ano yung effect niya? Number 1, sales would increase. That's number 1. Number 2, bad debt expenses would decrease. Kasi again, you're still offering them a cash discount. So bad debt expenses would still decrease. Kasi you're still giving them an incentive to pay early. Number 3, the profit per unit would decrease as a result of more people taking the discount, negatively affecting profit. So the profit per unit would decrease. Kasi again, may discount kasi. So if the customer pays early, hindi natin matatanggap ng buo yung amount. Mababawasan siya ng 2%. That's why the profit per unit would decrease. Number 4, vague or unclear effect on the company's investment in AR. Why? Kasi kailangan natin tansyahin. If we extend the cash discount period, would the customers be complacent? Or they will still remain the same? Or they will still pay early? So ano yan? Vague yan. Hindi natin malalaman yung sagot. Ano ba yung effect niya sa investment in AR? So that is extending the cash discount period. And finally is extending the credit period. So yung credit period naman guys is ilang number of days ba yung ibibigay natin kay customer to pay off the loan? Ilang araw ba yung ibibigay natin kay customer to pay off the loan? So example dito, it's N30. What if we make it N50 or N60? O we extend the credit period. So ibig sabihin nun, the customer can still pay by 50 days or by 60 days. Ano yung effect ng pag-extend ng credit period? Number 1, increase in sales. So number 2, increase in bad debts. So ano naman yung reason bakit tataas yung bad debts? Kasi if you extend the credit period, meron kasing mga customers na makalimutin, 'di ba? Kung medyo matagal na yung loan, nakakalimutan na nila. Nakalimutan na nila, meron pa pala akong ganitong loan. Hindi ko pa pala nababayaran. Kasi in-extend mo yung credit period. So, may mga customer ka na nakakalimutan yung loan nila. So that increases the bad debts. That increases the bad debts. Kasi may mga customer tayo na nakakalimutan nila na meron pa pala silang loan na kailangan bayaran. Kasi as time goes by, nakakalimutan na nila eh. Number 3, increase in the company's investment in AR. The point here is, dine-delay kasi natin yung collection. We're giving the customer a leeway to pay late. So anong nangyayari sa accounts receivable? Medyo tumataas siya on average. Kasi instead of waiting for 30 days, bago natin makolekta yung AR, right now, it will take us 50 to 60 days already. So, mas matagal. So, yung AR, mas nakatenga siya dun. Matagal siyang naka-float dun sa AR. Sayang, di ba? Cash na sana. Pero, dinelay kasi natin yung credit period. So, we're giving a leeway for the customer to pay late. O, di ba? Ayaw natin yun, di ba? Ayaw natin yun na yung customer late siya magbabayad. So, ganun yung extending credit period. So, that's it for the introduction to AR management. So, thank you so much.